Okay, so you basically start out by driving around the street. Use L. Don't wreck. Use L. Left stick to move. Right stick to drift. Or kneel drag on the motorcycle. It's been so long since I've used it. Can't look around. Press RT to do flips while you're on a ramp. Bust into almost anything. On a motorcycle, you can't destroy a car unless you fall on them, like jump on top of them. Which has happened to me before. I need to switch my vehicle. I know that. Because I haven't played with the motorcycle in a very, very long time. Press A to ignite your nitro. I'm going to do all of this on Xbox. Then I might do it on poor. Oh yeah, you can also get points for when you jump off of something on the motorcycle. Yeah, mid, good, poor. So you gotta get like on this white. I'm really bad. Oh, I'm at 4th place. Yo, I could win. It's like classic is, yeah, whatever. Just cheers the clips. I know this game doesn't really have any storyline to it. Now, I just wanted to do a walkthrough video, so. Oh! Ooh! Charge! Booyah! Oh. What? Rip. I can't not hit the walls. The walls are your friend. That was a long lap. Like a really long lap. Pretty sure it was a long lap. Should have been a long lap. Oh, I forgot again. And that's how you play a game of Asphalt 8 Airborne. Leave a like, subscribe, tap the bell for notifications, and follow me on Twitter, The Pancake Universe. Anything else? Yeah, check out my channel in the description. Well, just check out my channel, and bye!